Medical organizations in Siouxland are now collecting data from the public to gauge the greatest health needs. Every 3 years, the Siouxland District Health Department puts out a community health assessment. And over the next month, the survey will engage community members about their health concerns, their experiences, and their goals. By understanding the challenges and opportunities facing the community, Siouxland District Health can target new programs and services to address the most pressing issues.
Many people as possible, and I think the major thing is it's 13 questions long. It takes less than 5 minutes to complete, and we just would really encourage people to go out there, click through it. Please invest that 5 minutes to help us be more direct in what we provide to our community for health benefits.
This is how that mental health guide came to be, along with Prevention 101, which is a series within our Health Beat 4 segment.
What we found out is that residents weren't necessarily either attending or participating in preventative healthcare visits, or the other part is they had barriers to it. So it was important that we educate the community about the importance of doing those and also where to go.
The results of the survey will be analyzed and used to create a formal report available to the public later this fall. The survey is live right now through the end of April. You'll find the link inside this story at ktiv.com.